Welcome back to Meer Riders, your ultimate stop for all things two-wheeled and thrilling. Today, we dive into a street fighter that has ruled the mid-weight naked segment for years, the Kawasaki Z650. Aggressive, agile, and surprisingly practical, the Z650 is more than just a bike, it's an experience. If you're someone who loves raw styling with a touch of everyday usability, this might just be your next machine. Design and styling, sharp and street-ready. Let's start with the design. The Z650 embodies Kawasaki's Segumi philosophy, which translates to an intense, predator-like stance. From its sharp LED headlamp, muscular tank, and minimalist tail section, the bike looks ready to pounce. The exposed tubular trellis frame adds to its naked bike appeal while keeping it lightweight and rigid. Every curve and line screams aggression, and yet, it doesn't overdo it. The design hits a perfect balance, stylish enough for city rides and intimidating enough for biker meets. Engine and performance, parallel twin power. Under the tank sits a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers around 67 horsepower and 64 newton meters of torque. It's mated to a slick 6-speed gearbox and delivers power in a smooth, predictable way, ideal for beginners and still exciting for seasoned riders. Twist the throttle and the bike responds with a quick surge. It's not brutally fast like a leader class machine, but it gives you the thrilling punch between 4,000 to 8,000 RPM. Perfect for urban attacks and weekend highway runs. Ride and handling, nimble on the streets. The Z650 really shines in how it handles. Thanks to its lightweight chassis and upright riding posture, it feels incredibly nimble through city traffic and around twisty roads. The 41mm front forks and a horizontal backlink rear suspension offer just the right balance between comfort and sportiness. Its 790mm seat height makes it approachable for most riders, and the ergonomics ensure long rides are not a pain, literally. Whether you're weaving through traffic or carving mountain curves, the Z650 stays planted and composed. Brakes and safety, confident stopping power. Braking duties are handled by dual 300mm front discs and a single 220mm rear disc, both backed by dual-channel ABS. The stopping power is strong and progressive, giving you the confidence to push the bike when the roads allow. The Dunlop SportMax Road Sport 2 tires provide ample grip in both dry and wet conditions, adding to the overall sense of safety and control. Tech and features, modern yet simple. While it's not overloaded with electronics like some premium bikes, the Z650 gives you just what you need. The TFT digital display is sharp and clear, offering Bluetooth connectivity via the Radiology app. You can check your calls, riding stats, and bike status right from your phone. It also features gear position indicators, fuel range, and riding temperature. All the essential data is easy to read, even under harsh sunlight. Fuel efficiency and daily usability, ride more, fuel less. One of the strongest points of the Z650 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Despite being a mid-weight twin, it offers around 22 to 25 km/L depending on your riding style. Combine that with a 15-liter fuel tank, and you've got decent touring range for weekend getaways. Add to that a smooth clutch, refined engine, and a manageable weight of around 191 kilograms, and you've got a machine that works just as well in the city as it does on the open road. Pricing and value for money. In most markets, the Z650 sits in a sweet price bracket, offering fantastic value. You get the Kawasaki badge, solid reliability, sporty looks, and engaging performance, all without breaking the bank. It competes well against bikes like the Yamaha MT-07 and Honda CB650R, and for many, it even outshines them in terms of everyday practicality. Pros and cons, quick breakdown. Pros. Aggressive and modern design. Strong mid-range performance. Excellent handling and ride comfort. Reliable and fuel efficient. Value for money. Cons. No ride modes or traction control. Slight buzz at higher RPMs. Suspension may feel firm on rough roads. Verdict, is the Z650 worth it? If you're a beginner stepping up from a 300 cubic centimeters or a commuter looking for a fun weekend bike, the Kawasaki Z650 is a no-brainer. It's got the looks, the performance, and the Kawasaki legacy backing it. While it might not come loaded with electronics, it delivers raw, honest motorcycling, and sometimes, that's all you need. This is not just a bike, it's a machine that grows with you, fun to ride, easy to live with, and thrilling enough to keep the fire burning. OUTRO, ride with Meer riders. That's a wrap, riders. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Meer Riders, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and riding tips. Let us know in the comments. Would you pick the Z650 over the MT-07 or CB650R? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay safe, ride hard, and keep the rubber side down. Meer Riders, signing off. Motorcycle Fire.